Instagram lets you add really cool music to your stories, but sometimes, according to some bugs or maybe your location, Instagram doesn't show you the music icon. In this video, I'm going to help you fix it. So, the first thing I want to show you is how to add music to your stories. So, let's say I choose a photo, and as you can see from this menu, I can tap on audio and it shows me the music that is available for me. For you, no music available, but if I tap on trending, I can see a lot of different tracks, or I can search for a specific track if I have something in mind. And one more thing that I should tell you is that this list is not like the list of every single music there is. It's just a third party. I think it's a third party website that allows Instagram application to have access to some specific music. So if you search something, you might find it, but also if you search something very specific, there's a chance that you might not find it. And if you tap on this, it's gonna be saved like that. Like I have 4 saved audios. Anyways, let's say we can't see this icon. What we can do is, first of all, making sure that our application is up to date. So what I do is I head to App Store and I search for Instagram. And then you want to make sure your Instagram application is up to date. If it says open, it means it's up to date. If it says update, you want to update it to the latest version possible. And if that doesn't help you with your problem, there's one more thing you can do. You can head over to settings and scroll all the way down to find apps. And from here, you're going to try to find Instagram. Okay, Instagram, tap on that. And as you can see, I can change the location. Here, there is this option, precise location, if you turn it on and off, and also play with these buttons. At the end, it should be on while using the app, and also your precise location should be on for Instagram to be able to have access to your location. But if you just play around with these, that helps you with your music icon problem. Now we head back to our Instagram. And there's also one more thing you can do. As you can see, I have a professional account. So switching between professional and personal usually fixes the bugs as well. So here my account is professional. And if I want to change it back to personal, what I do is I find this option in setting, creator tools and controls. I tap on it, and this one says switch account type, so I'm going to tap on that and I'm going to make it a personal account. Switch to personal account. And if I wait just a couple of seconds, my account will be personal. And if you want to switch back, as you can see, it doesn't say professional dashboard anymore. It's just a personal account. Now I have another account here that is personal. Let's say I want to make it professional. So what I do again is I head over to settings and I scroll all the way down to find account type and tools. I'm going to tap on that, and then I'm going to choose switch to professional account. Next. And then it says which category you are. It doesn't really matter because what we want to do is just fix the bug. So it doesn't really matter when you switch to professional and then you're going to switch back to personal. So it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to tap on switch to professional account. And here I'm going to tap next. And just like that, you can switch your account from a personal to a professional or the other way around. I hope that fixes all your problems with the music on Instagram. Let me know in the comment section if you have any more questions.